Hi guys, my name is Michael and I decided to make some video reviews about the communities in Dubai for you to understand what suits you best. And let's start from the greens and views by Emaar. This is the community for people who prefer quiet, peaceful lifestyle and missing the greenery. Here you can find coffee shops like Starbucks and Caribou, restaurants, cafes, beauty salons and supermarket Choithram. Also ideal for families with kids as the school just behind the door. That is also a pet-friendly community. As you can see, there is no any construction here, all buildings and landscaping completed, and they do maintain this community really well. This area is divided into two parts: the views, the luxury option, and greens, the affordable ones. Let me show you around. Each 4 buildings has an internal yard available only for residents, with temperature-controlled pool, decent gym, children playgrounds, barbecue facilities, underground parking. Old Greens was built more than 15 years ago. The design is already old-fashioned. As you can see, not all the apartments in a great condition, so you really need to spend some time to find a good one. Some advice for the landlords: if you want to rent your apartment faster, invest some money in your apartments and make some major renovation in the Old Greens, as it's 15 years old. The views. It's a luxury option. Great view from most of the apartments, like the lake or the golf course, bigger layouts and better facilities. Like swimming pool and gym. Closest metro station, Internet City, it's 10 to 15 minute walk, and there is a bus station. It's also easy to find a taxi, and most of the time you can find a car sharing, which can take you within 15 minutes to Mall of the Emirates, 15 minutes to the beachfront, and approximately 25 minutes to the Dubai Mall. There is no heavy traffic here even during the peak hours, except Hessa Street, which can be easily avoided by taking Camila. Guys, if you have any questions, ask me, and I can make some video reviews for you or organize a viewing. My name is Michael, stay tuned for my next videos.